trade is afternoon, morning, or evening. Evening if the US viewers of the channel check this out straight away. Well, look, what this will be is a little bit of a trade recap on how things went yesterday. I didn't do a watch list. I actually fell asleep on the couch and woke up at about 11:30, then went to bed. The perils of the morning shift, and yeah, I know I did actually get clothes. I brought the laptop to work. It's more observing though. Like I wasn't really in a position to take a trade, but just straight off the bat, what I noticed, MGTI closed below $2, which is pretty significant. I think the low. Let's get this zoomed in. What was the low? 193. I think 175 or so, 176 is the support level. This is an interesting little spike right here. I don't know what that's about. That's right here's a pretty good example. If you you trade with stop losses, that's what that's targeting. So you got to be a little bit wary. if you were trailing this, I mean that went as high as that was pretty offensive. But there's not really a lot to talk about. 1.5 million shares traded. It's just hilarious looking through Twitter and seeing all the people that are like, the believers and everything. But it's just at the end of the day, it's a penny stock. It's not really. If you invest a large portion of your capital on this and you're just holding it, I mean, and it's down 13%. What I would say though is potential dip buy if it gets even lower, because there are promoters, I believe. I mean, just seeing Twitter, it's crazy how much terrible promoters are pumping this, like in Twitter feed. It's just they just copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. So it's a point of interest. I won't call this a pump and dump though, but it's certainly there's going to be there's going to be some buyer interest still, just because if it's the Bitcoin blockchain sort of space. NXTD, how did this shape up? 251 flat as attack. So I was talking about this a little bit. The news didn't really sort of trigger any interest. ANTH, not a lot going on. CHK, 40 above 3. This does trade with a lot of volume though. So ADMP, I think I just touched base on it. Okay, so what I'll do here is we've got the top percent gainers still. MTUU. My buddy Chad mentioned this as well. There is a bit of background noise. I apologize. Got some cleaners in and I'm just getting a few things done on the laptop now. Volume 1.4 million. It's very interesting how it does this. I don't I don't like the price action, to be fair, but it is holding pretty nicely. Okay, what's they're talking about? Wind turbines, minerals and mining, 2 employees, Bogota. It's hilarious. We've got 2 employees. They're making mining equipment, so there's news out on that though. And it had on the 14th of Feb there was some earnings out as well. It's interesting, but the price action is very concerning to me. That was pretty much it that I wanted to talk about. Oh no, LPCN. LPCN is also pretty nicely priced. Wait for this to load. I think it's loading. Okay, so it's down a little bit. Nothing clearly. Seeking alpha articles. What do these guys do? Drug manufacturer. Well, something like this, the pharmaceutical sort of bio, sort of tech sectors have been moving okay recently, obviously with the slowdown in the weed sectors and the um, crypto, dash blockchain sector. So might be one to watch potentially. I don't really like the price action, but I like how it's held the strength there. Or another trading opportunity is just to have a swing trade on MGTI and just see what it does, because I think there's a lot of negativity and there's a lawsuit pending on CEO as well. So want to watch there as a potential short. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye for now.